welcome back to my channel, whatever. Sorry if I posted in a little while. I've been busy, okay? Anyway, today we are going to be doing 5 ways to get money in Bloxburg. But before this video starts, I have a few things to say. Number 1, thank you guys so much for, what is going on with the windows? Whatever. Thank you guys so much for 20 plus subscribers. I think I have like 22, 23. I don't know. Something like that right now. I really appreciate it. Makes me day that you guys subscribe to me and watch my videos and actually enjoy watching the videos. Makes me day. Anyway, number 2 is thank you Pikachu for subscribing to me. I subscribed to her, and thank you for subscribing to me. My words today. And number 3, I don't know, I have headphones on, so I don't know how my audio sounds. So if I sound like a cockroach playing the audio, but I actually sound like that anyway without the audio, so I still sound like a cockroach. Anyway, let's not focus on that. I wrote a list of things down, so the 5 ways. So, yeah. So, number 1, work. It's not that hard, guys. You just push work and choose a job, and you're at work. Make money. You don't gotta be a beggar. Don't become a beggar. I do not recommend it. It's rude. Number 2, build a service. Building a service meaning you can build a daycare, a cafe, a shop, and then you can get customers, and then yeah. Sorry, that's on there. You can just and then you'll get customers, and then you'll get money. Number 3, bulldoze your house and build a smaller one. If your house is too big and you don't need that big of a house, and you are broke, then it'd be great to just bulldoze it, and you'll have a lot of money. And then since you don't really want to be homeless, you can build a house, except it'd be smaller than your last one, so you don't have to waste a bunch of money again. Waste, whatever. Number 4, make a garden, sell your plants. Most people don't really know what I'm talking about, since I don't really focus on plants. But so basically, I'm just going to plant 2 flowers, and then I'm gonna use some fertilizer so they can grow right away, because I'm too lazy to wait. So yeah. But fertilizer costs Bloxburg, so yeah. And I only have 219, so hopefully I'm making the right decision. I'm doing it for you, YouTube. So anyway, I'm going to add fertilizer to both of them. And I can sell this for $35, so I just got $35. And the more plants you grow, the more money you make. But once again, I'm a lazy person, so I'm too lazy to grow all of those plants. Especially because I'm not really a plant girl. I'm an animal child, not a plant child. Anyway, number 5. Ask for donations. Now this I don't really recommend, because so basically try working, building a service, bulldoze your house, make a smaller one, or make a garden and sell your plants. Try those things that I said. And if you're still broke after that, then you can ask for just small donations. They say no, don't start becoming a beggar. I do not like beggars, guys. Anyway, yeah. So anyway, those were all of the 5 ways. There are probably more ways but I'm just not really thinking of them right now. But those are the 5 main ways you can get money in Bloxburg. They're not exactly fun ways, but I mean, we're getting desperate here. And I do these I do these strategies a lot, and they actually really help me. Except asking for donations, I hardly ever do that. Only when I just tried everything else and it won't work out for me. Yeah, I built a hotel once, but then of course I bulldozed it, or else I would have made the tour already. But anyway, I bulldozed it, but I made a hotel, and I got lots of customers, guests, whatever. Yeah. And I got a lot of money from that. So yeah, I do recommend number 3 and number 1 and number 2 and number 3 and 4, whatever. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Too lazy for the outro again. But anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!